Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Adam from M2HD, and sorry about that little beginning part. It's gonna be with my whole Witcher 3 Let's Play, unless I fixed it. If I fixed it, then it's not. Today we're gonna have a pretty long stream. If you're watching the video, it's gonna be pretty long too. So that's what we're gonna do, and hopefully my actual thing will pop up. And we'll turn my volume really low so that you guys can't hear it. Does it say I'm offline? Okay, so it does say I'm offline. S1. So it does say I'm offline at the moment. It shouldn't take that long to get back online though. Yeah, it shouldn't take that long for it to come back up. Oh god, oops. Okay. I'll pick that up real quick. Guys, if I do go away for a minute, that means my mom is home. And then I gotta go say hi and stuff, or I gotta go help her with something. But I'm pretty sure it's just my dog. Let me check real quick. Yeah, it's just my dog. Being a little butt. Yeah, it's just my dog. Whining. The little buddy is. He could be a little butt though. Oh, why is it not showing up? Okay, whatever. Whatever. I'm just gonna keep refreshing it until it like comes up. So guys, last time, well, this is my first time. Oh, live now. There we go. So last time, guys, I did try and get like some things. Well, I tried to. Wow, that's pretty darn good for our first try. For our first time, actually. Why do I have ads? Thought I turned those off. Whatever, no big deal. No big deal. Why did I do that? Why in the world did I do that? That was a stupid idea of me. Gonna do this real quick. Sorry if I'm talking pretty darn low. I mean, I'm gonna get a Twitch hoodie. Cause I was just like looking at my stream right now and I saw an advertisement about Twitch hoodies. Cause I don't have any like custom advertisements on right now because I just haven't gotten the time to add custom advertisements. It's no big deal though. I'm not sure if you actually can, but I just need that and then I'm done. And then I could get on with my life like a boss. And then I think I'm gonna make my house here because. Do I not? I need that bad. Excuse me. Go get more stuffs. Goodness gracious. So guys, if you guys would like to see more, go ahead, leave a like. I could actually stream now and upload to YouTube because I got my editing software. I fixed my gaming setup so I could see it now on my screen. Let's like go off of here real quick. So yeah, I can see it on my stream at the moment, which is pretty cool. And then I can upload it right after, which is pretty even cooler. I think it's pretty cool at least. I think it's like really epic. Gonna make some of that. Gonna make one of you, one of you, one of you. Do I have enough for one of you? I do. So what we're going to do is we're going to put those there, put you there, put you up there, put you up there, then blam. We're going to go get these pumpkins before they go away. So that's what we're going to do. Or not go away, but until, like, before I forget. The reason why I'm talking so low is because it's like 8:12 at night. and I need to get to bed early tonight because I walk to school, and that takes like hour. I wake up at 5, but I have to walk to my friend's house because he walks with me. So that would pretty much suck. Sorry, Mr. Pig. I didn't mean to do that to you. I didn't mean to murder your face off. This chair's really weird, though. I mean, this chair is pretty odd. If I needed to, later I could start up some music, but that would be a first stream where I'm not uploading it to YouTube, so like maybe a speedrun. Because I might upload a speedrun actually, so I'm not. Goodness. So, you guys, let's hurry up and get some wood. I don't know why I'm so quiet. It's just so weird being in here. My roommate's here, which is pretty cool, but yeah, he's here tonight. Sometimes he's not even here. I need to go get a water from when I get thirsty. Whatever. We're gonna get some food real quick, and then we're gonna start on a shelter. Then I'm gonna go get some water. Probably maybe a soda. Maybe like non-decafs, because I don't want to go to bed. But I want to go to bed. What am I talking about? Let's make it on the lake here. So like, it doesn't have to be huge. This chair is really weird. Bet you guys could hear it in the stream. Mom? Never mind, guys. Oh yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get something to drink, then I'll be right back. Oh gosh. I did get a soda, guys, but don't worry. It's decaf. So yeah, guys, this is gonna be a series. Oh my gosh. A series at least until The Witcher 3 comes out, because that's gonna be pretty epically awesome game. So that's gonna be something I'm gonna be doing here. Jeez. Hate hiccups. Oh my gosh. You're joking me. Now let's patch this up, guys. And I don't have enough wood. That is peachy keen. So. Oh my gosh. I hate having hiccups, guys. It just sucks. So, yeah, guys. Oh my gosh. Why do I... Hold my breath. I think today I almost fainted because I was about to, like, because I was holding my breath. I've gotten hiccups, like, so many times today. Like, I think it's because I, like, ran to school today. I'm not sure if that actually causes that, but if it does, then that's probably why. But yeah, guys, so I did run to school today because I was late and I needed to get to school. So me and my friend ran after going to Starbucks. Okay, so we're not gonna crud. Need to hurry up and get some of this. Let's hurry up and get this real quick, guys, so we don't perish in death and die and stuffs. So there we go. So we're gonna head up here. Gonna make one of you. Guys, we're gonna burn that and that, or not. I guess I'll do that, and then I'll make a door. Might not be the best idea, but whatever, no big deal. This is Minecraft. I will need a couple sticks though, so that's probably not the best idea in the world. So guys, I'm thinking of how I'm going to do this. How long have I been streaming for? Goodness. Edit panels on. I'm gonna do this real quick. So guys, I'm gonna back, okay, so, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna do something real quick though. So that's pretty darn epic and amazing. So, wait, what are these called? Twitch panel images. Okay. Schedule YouTube. Okay, yeah, these are great. These are great. These are great right here. I like those. I like those. Donations. I need to get that one in there too. So, donations. Let's first get a welcome. Welcome. Hope you guys did enjoy. I'm gonna edit this real quick, and then I hope you guys did enjoy. Have a great day. Peace.